Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, which of the following is not an irrational number? Here, for the option A, 4 minus 5 root 7 will be minus 9.22875. So it is non-terminating. That is, it is irrational number. Then for the B, 6 minus 6 root 16 means 6 minus 6 into 4. That is 6 minus 24, which is minus 18. We can see that it is not a irrational number. Let us check the remaining options too. 4 plus 3 root 7. It is 11.93725 and so on. It is also irrational number. And for the option D, 6 minus 7 root 7 is minus 12.52025. It is also irrational. So option B is the option which is not an irrational number.